Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Thursday, the 9th of July. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. And we are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont for all your arbor care needs, with offices in Concord, Danvers, Needham, as well as on Cape Cod. Check them out. They will come out to your property and give you an evaluation of your trees. And the trees are happy with some rain, but we're going to be a little bit unhappy if you don't like the heat and humidity. We're up in the 90s today, or around 90. It's going to feel in the mid-90s. Overnight tonight, partly cloudy, muggy, temperatures down in the 60s. Tomorrow, front approaches. So that front's going to bring in the chance for showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures tomorrow get to between 85 and 90. It's muggy. And then over the weekend, mostly sunny skies. Temperatures in the 80 to 85 degree range before we start to heat up again next week with a little more humidity as well, as a big heat dome starts to build out in the west. By the way, if you're a gardener, here's what I planted yesterday. I planted some carrots. Put them under some cardboard to help them germinate because it's just a very tough seed to germinate. And that tends to help a little bit. And then once they start germinating, I pull up the cardboard. I planted some beans, and I found an eggplant that, just an eggplant plant that was in a cell, and I threw that in the ground as well. So you can still put stuff in. Plant some cucumbers. Great time of the year to plant cucumbers. If you have seed potatoes, great time of the year to do that as well. Gardening is still underway, even though we're losing a minute and 13 seconds of daylight. Last weekend of 15 hours between sunrise and sunset until next spring. Sorry, guys. Have a great morning.